I'm Stephen Gotch, a member of African Refugee Artists Club. I'm very glad to have you been there, and I hope we will do our part as the members. Yeah, I'm Stephen Gotch, a member of African Artist Club. I'm a Sudanese by nationality, and I love you to be there, and we here also, and we do the same thing.
My name is Clement Loboy. I'm a member of Sudanese Writers Club. I'm a Sudanese by nationality. What I want to say is just keep on supporting us and we shall be appreciating you.
My name is Danny Bulda. I'm a Sudanese by nationality. I'm a member of African Refugees Artists Club, and I appreciate the way you will support us. And may God bless you.
I'm Sudanese by nationality. Okay, you guys, we are very happy and very appreciating for your work, for having cooperated with us to this moment. May you do a lot of work, and as we are doing here, thank you.
Okay, I'm Daniel Dennis. I'm a Sudanese and a member of the Sudanese Writers Club. Thank you for being there.
I'm Atiang Ajang Hakesh. I'm a member of Sudanese Writers Club. Thank you, we are together.
You're Kennedy Oliver, South Sudanese. I'm a member of Sudanese Writers Club. Thank you very much.
My name's Simon Lugampol, and I'm Ugandan by nationality. I like acting, I like writing short stories, and I wish you guys will keep on supporting us so that we can exploit our talents and then be alive, because you know very well that we are refugees, so we need your help.
I'm Jonglei, Sudanese by nationality. I'm a writer here. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your work. Thank you.
My name is Abel Kotmaze. I'm a Sudanese by nationality. I thank you for your support, For really, we Africans cannot allowed to land, and that is our problem. If you could have a help, you help us for it. Thank you for your
My name is Dagunya Paul William. I'm a Sudanese by nationality, refugee in Kakuma, Kenya. I'm the member of Artist Club. So I'm very happy to join this club because I want to building our nation through the skill of artists and craft. So I like the support, the women to support us, as we are refugees and even our nation Sudan is still behind. So I wish that you are going to help us, and then you are going to support our country Sudan. Thanks.
My name is Michael. I'm Sudanese by nationality. I'm the actor. I'm a writer. I'm here in Takam.
I'm Leandro Lotopol, a Sudanese by nationality, and I'm actually a Sudanese writer. And I'm very happy for the steps that you have taken, but I still need your hand in help for the club that we are participating in. Thank you.
We are Cholo Rakol, I'm a member of African Refugee Artists Club. I really appreciate all you have written here, and I will appreciate you much, and you also help us, you know what has been happening in the previous decades, and we are through your help that we can do it. Otherwise, we cannot make it for our own. Thank you.
Hello, our dear European donors and our dear brothers, lost boys and girls. I'm Benjamin Odong Isaac, a member of Sudanese Writers Club. I'm here in Kakuma, and I never wish to be here in Kakuma. I'm here for the very reason that we were being fighting for our country. And now the time has come that we have got peace, and still we have another war ahead of us, and that is education. And I'm very happy that you are there and we are here. We are very happy for the club that is being going on, and we need your help. The help that you may help us by giving us some of the, let me say, you may donate something at least to make the club to make the club go on, so that we may involve fully while we have all those things. So I'm very happy as you are there. We shall be keep this communication to go on by just have contacts and also grievances from each one of us who are here in Kakuma. We are ready to go ahead, and we are ready to work hand in hand with you, with those who are ready to donate something. Thanks.
I'm called Junior Daudi, Sudanese by nationality, and I've been living in Kakuma for almost 15 years now. And since when you people left, I was here in the camp, and I might know some of you. But what I can say is, there's always a saying that says, if you know where you are going, then you know where you come from. You are in US and you have left some people behind. So watch out the status, also means of helping them, so that you can be in the same range. That is to say, help them so that they can help themselves. It is in terms of support, in talking, and a lot of effective communication, so that they will do what they want to do. I'd like to thank you for the book that you have, Togetherness, and I hope we are going to have more production than this. Otherwise, keep watching and you see what is inside. This all Mama, it is so that there will be peace in our country, and you also have to pray for us and help us in terms of materials, so that we may do any change that is necessary in life. Thank you.
I'm a Sudanese. I'm a Writers Club member, and I'm in Kakuma Refugee Camp. And I wish I could meet you guys.
Tricks like his, academic digits like his, Korangi, Congolese by nationality, a dramatist, a DJ, and live spinning. That's all about me.